Hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. Thank you. All right, welcome back, Year 3. Our subject today is maths from Unit 10, Word Problem, from our student book, page 222 to 225. So please, can you take your student book and your notebook? Math. Okay, what you have to do, please, you have to read and understand because it's word problem. Okay, we are going to solve word problem. So our objective today is by the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve word problem. Okay, and first of all, what you need to do is just to read, understand. After you read and understand, you will be able to answer the questions. Okay? All right, we are going to do it together. So, can you open your book on page 222? And let's learn this one together. Number 1. So, they are saying, Padma went to the library at 2 o'clock. She stayed there for 3 hours. At what time did she leave the library? Padma went to the library at 2 o'clock. She stayed there for 3 hours. At what time did she leave the library? Let's see the first clock. The first clock is they show what? Padma went to the library at 2 o'clock. You can see the time. And then she stayed there for 3 hours. So we have to count from 2. And then we go 1, 2, 3. So she left the library at 5 o'clock. So our answer is she left the library at 5 o'clock. The most important is what we have to do is to read and understand. Okay, let's check another example together. Okay, so check your book on page 223. They say Jade spent 1 hour 15 minutes tidying her room. She spent 2 hours 40 minutes baking cookies. How much time did she spend doing this activity? Give your answer in hours and minutes. So let's draw a model to represent the problem. So this is how we draw it. Tidying her room. She spent 1 hour 15 minutes. Baking cookies. She spent what? 2 hours 40 minutes. So what we are going to do this one is we are going to add the total amount of time together. 1 hour 15 minutes plus 2 hours 40 minutes is equal to 3 hours 55 minutes. Remember to add ones and ones together, tens and what together? Tens and tens. So minutes is 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Don't forget to write hours. So 3 hours 55 minutes. So Jade spent 3 hours 55 minutes tidying her room and baking cookies. These are the examples of word problem. So let's go and do together the remaining page. Please, we are going to do together. Don't check my answers. What you need to do is to read, understand, so that you will be able to get the answers. So sit back there and let's go to part 2. All right? Okay.